Good morning, friends. Types of matrices. First one is square matrix. Square matrix definition: the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Here is example: 1 2 3 4. దీని యొక్క ఆర్డర్ 2. దీనికి rows ఎన్ని, columns ఎన్ని? Rows 2 rows 2 columns. Then this is a square matrix. Okay, 2 3 4 5. This is 2 rows 2 columns. This is also example for square matrix. Okay, ఈ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ యొక్క ఆర్డర్ ఎంత? రోస్ ఇంటూ కాలం m by n ఫామ్లో ఉండిద్ది ఆర్డర్. హియర్ 2 rows 2 columns, that is 2 by 2. The order is 2 by 2. Row column same, then order is 2. You can denote it as 2 also. Okay, 2 by 2 matrix in we can also write its order as 2. This is example for 3 by 3 matrix. Then a order 3 by 3. You can also write as 3 only. This is a matrix of 2. This order is 1 only. Okay, principal diagonal elements. Previously we learned. Okay, principal diagonal elements are the elements in which same row and same column is called a principal diagonal elements. This is first row in, this is in place of first row in first column. This is in the place of second row in second column. This is in the third row in third column. Okay, then these three elements are called principal diagonal elements, like that. Okay, before principal diagonal elements, here example, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Principal elements are 2 minus 1 9. The next trace means the sum of principal diagonal elements is called a trace. We take sum anta 2 minus 1 plus 9. That value is 2 plus 1 2 minus 1 plus 9. How much? 2 minus 1 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Okay, above example is principal diagonal elements are 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Okay, diagonal elements is also over in last class. Diagonal elements are then definition of diagonal elements are: if each non-diagonal elements, this is diagonal elements. Okay, 1 2 3. This is, what is this? This is diagonal elements remaining. Okay, this is A11, A12, A13. Okay, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, except these diagonal elements remaining, all elements are equal to 0 only. It's called a diagonal elements. Okay, ఈ డయాగ్నల్ ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ తప్ప మిగతావన్నీ జీరోస్ ఉంటే దాన్ని డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అని అంటారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఓకే, అగైన్ డెఫినేషన్: ఇఫ్ ఈచ్ నాన్ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, దిస్ ఈజ్ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ principal diagonal, except principal diagonal elements, remaining all elements are equal to 0. Then that matrix is called a diagonal matrix. This is also next another example. Okay, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix definition is: this is types of matrices. This one is third one. Scalar matrix definition is except principal diagonal elements, except, first of all, this is square matrix. Then next, except principal diagonal elements remaining. Okay, except principal diagonal elements, remain all elements are equal to 0 and principal diagonal elements are equal to each other. It's called a scalar matrix. This is an example for that. Okay, like that you can take another example. Okay, what you will say? Okay, we will take I want to take 7 0 0 0 7 0. This is also principal diagonal element. 0 0 7. except principal diagonal elements remaining all are zeros and diagonal elements are equal to each other. Principal diagonal elements anna diagonal elements anna same only. Okay, example definition: each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix is equal to 0 and the principal diagonal elements are equal to each other is called a scalar matrix. Okay, then next fourth one is unit matrix. Definition of unit matrix is: if each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix is equal to 0 and diagonal elements are one only, is called unit matrix. ఓకే, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. యూనిట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అంటే ఈచ్ నాన్ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఓకే, 2x2 తీసుకుంటాను. ఓకే, ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఇఫ్ ఈచ్ నాన్ డయాగ్నల్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ దట్ మీన్స్ ఇఫ్ ఈచ్ నాన్ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్, ఇవి కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ elements are equal to 0 and diagonal elements are 1 only, is called a unit matrix. Okay, this is order 2. Another example: 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is order is this. Okay, this matrix order is 3. This is another example of unit matrix. Okay, except principal diagonal elements remaining all elements are equal to 0 is called a unit matrix. Okay, another